Hey guys, this is our algebra review video for evaluating expressions, one step past order of operations. This is going to be the worksheet that you'll be responsible for your homework. So this is going to be the notes for this. All right, let's go over some terms first. So in evaluating expressions, we have an expression. So what is an expression? Basically, an expression in math is like saying a phrase in English, okay? It is just a set of numbers, variables, or a combination of those numbers and variables. There's no equal sign, okay? No equal sign. On the other hand, you have an equation. We're not solving equations just yet, but I wanted to show you the definition for it. Because an equation in the English language is equivalent to a sentence, right? There's an equal sign. So this is like a phrase. And an equation is like a full sentence or a complete sentence. Okay? So we are going to be working with expressions right now. That means there are no equal signs. Okay? In these expressions, you are going to see numbers and variables. Remember from algebra that a variable is just a letter. It's a letter that represents a number. So you're going to see, for instance, x equals 10. Or W equals 2, right? You can use any letter to represent a number. And then we have a value. The value is going to be the actual number, okay? So in this case, the variable is the x, but if we had x equals 10, the value would be 10. Okay, so a variable represents a value. All right, let's go ahead and look at one or two examples here. And the first one I want to look at is just the first problem. So let's do example 1. If I can find my pen. Here we go. All right, example 1. I'm sorry for my squeaky chair. I'm going to get a new one for the next video. Number 1 is going to be y divided by 2 plus x, where x equals 1 and y equals 2. Now this is just a problem from your worksheet. I'm just going to show you how to solve it. So we are going to have to use what we call substitution. We are going to take the value for the variable and plug it in, okay? So we're saying y divided by 2 plus x. Well, we can't solve that until we have our values plugged into it, right? So what is y? Y is 2. So we can take this 2 and plug it in to y. So 2 divided by 2 plus x. Okay, well, x is our second variable, and x represents 1. So we're going to substitute this x for what it represents, and that is a 1. So 2 divided by 2 plus a 1. And now we have a basic order of operations expression where we can just solve it. So using our order of operations rules, 2 divided by 2, division comes first. We're going to underline this. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 plus 1, bring that down. Your answer is 2.